In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download invoices from your eBay purchase history. Whether you're budgeting, keeping track of business expenses, or simply want a record of your purchases, being able to access your invoices can be really helpful. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, what you'll want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Chrome is a popular choice because it tends to work seamlessly with eBay and many other websites due to its robust support and frequent updates. Once you have Chrome up and running, navigate to the eBay website. If you aren't already logged into your account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now, once you're on the eBay homepage, let's find your purchase history. Look towards the top of the page and you'll see a section called My eBay, and hover over or click on that and a drop-down menu should appear. Within this menu, select Purchase History. This is your go-to destination for reviewing all your previous orders. Once you're in your purchase history, you'll see a list of items you've bought. Take a moment to locate the specific order for which you need an invoice. You might find it helpful to scroll through the list or use any available filters or search options to speed up the process. After locating the right order, look for a link or button labeled Order Details. Clicking on this link will take you to a more detailed page specific to that particular purchase. It's here where we'll find the option to access the invoice. Now, once you're in the order details, your task is to find either the print invoice or download invoice option. Different sellers may have different button texts, but it usually will be in that vicinity. Keep an eye out for these options as you browse the order's details page. Once you've found what you're looking for, you're almost at the finish line. Click on the option to either download or print your invoice. Typically, clicking here will prompt a PDF file to download, enabling you to view it on your desktop, tablet, or smartphone, depending on the device you're using. It's always a good idea to save the file in a location you can easily remember so you can access it anytime you need. And there you have it. Your invoice is ready for review, printing, or saving for your records. Taking these steps allows you to efficiently manage your purchases and maintain organized records, crucial for both personal and business use. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy buying!